For now, it's recording. Tell me, what is mean by Java SE? We have seen in this class. Do you remember?
Oh, standard edition.
Yeah. So for the learning purpose and for all the developers are using only SE. Java SE standard edition. And it is having this all versions. In IDE tools, we will be having inbuilt JDK. That's why we are not downloading JDK. If you want to write Java coding in Notepad and run in command prompt, then you will need JDK. But now we are using IDE, so we no need JDK. Here inbuilt we have this Java codings. So here SE17 it was already selected, so leave it as it is. And here you can see JRE. So JRE also inbuilt library files. And next, don't give anything, just uncheck this box. This will create a demo pages that we don't need. So uncheck this box. After coming this page, only give the project name and uncheck this module box. Then click on finish. That's all. That's all. It will create a project. See, basics of Java project is created. When I click this, it has JRE system library. That is library files. And if you expand this JRE, it will have n number of jar files. As you can see, these are our jar file. And inside jar file, it has all kind of keywords, classes, object, everything. Okay. So these all are library that we don't need. Just close it. And this SRC is source code folder. And inside this SRC, we are creating package. And inside package, we will be creating classes. So package. Right click the SRC and go to new. And here you can see package. Click on that and give the package name. I'll give programs. Okay, my first package name is programs, then finish. So here you can see programs are created. Then right click this program, new and class. My class name I'll give first program. And remember this thing, whenever we are creating a class, we need to use a capital letter for class name. Class name should be capital letter at first. And after that, you can give capital on second letters first, second word first letter. Okay. So this is the proper format to declare a class. So first program I have given. And here you can see this is modifiers, which we will be learning in future classes. And don't do anything on that. And check this box. This public static void main is the main function of our class. Without function, we can't run any program. So we need this public static void function. I'll tell you what is this line. So check this box and finish. Then it will give you the structure of programming. See, my package name is programs and my class name is first program. So I have given names only, but it was created a structure. And when I checked the public static void main, it was giving this line. Without this line, this will not work. Okay. So here package is a keyword that is stored in this JRE library. Programs which I have given the name. Public is also keyword. That means I can use this class anywhere. I can use this class anywhere. I'm giving access. Next, class is a keyword. With the help of class keyword only, we can declare a class. And this first program is my class name. And within this bracket only, I can write n number of coding. So this is like a body. So this class body is starting from this bracket and ending at this bracket. Okay. So all class should be declared within this bracket, flower bracket. And inside this flower bracket, I am having public static void main. Public is an access modifier, same as this public, that I'm using this function anywhere. I can access this function anywhere. And static is a keyword that is denoting unchangeable. This line is unchangeable. And whatever the data inside I am giving is also unchangeable. That is static keyword. And void is return type. Here you can see it was showing return type of main. Main is a function. Whenever we will see functions concept also, just remember that without main function, Java programming will not work. So main function is important. And whenever we are declaring a function, it should be having return type. Void means null. We are not returning anything from our main function. That's why it's void. And main is a keyword. It is not, this line is unchangeable. It will come like this only. And here, inside a bracket, string is a data type. Any kind of words, any kind of letters or numbers, you can denote it as a string data type. So that's why string here came. And this square bracket denotes array. We can write n number of coding. We can give n number of data inside this main function. That is why string of array we have given. Next, args means arguments. Arguments is something that we can give to a function. So here we can pass any data to this function. That's why arguments is come. And inside this flower packet only, we are going to write the code. Okay. So this is the basic structure of Java coding. Without this structure, you can't write a program. If you are using Notepad also, you will be giving this line only. In Notepad, we no need to use this package, but we need to create a class and we need to create a main function. Inside that, we can write. Okay, let's let's write the hello world program. So here to print hello world, I will be using printing statement. In Java, we have a printing statement system dot out for output, out dot print ln and with the bracket. And you can see when I'm writing the code, it was suggesting me some kind of box, I mean, some kind of things, right? So these all are present in this JRE library. When I'm typing, it was giving me suggestion. I can select it if I want. So if I double click it, it will give me that whole thing. So this line is used for printing statement system.out.println. And Java is a case sensitive program. So we need to use capital as a capital, small as a small. Only S is capital, remaining all are small. And this is L. L is also small. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And inside this printing statement, I need to declare double quotes and we can give welcome to Eclipse. So I can print. Within the double quotes only, we need to give the content. That's how it will print. If I'm not giving double quotes, it will throw error. See, the red color underline is for error. And here you can see it was coming like bulb and error. If I am hovering it, it was showing multiple marker at the line. This is suggestion for this error. When I click this bulb button, it will give the suggestion. So whenever the error comes at the compile time, it will show here itself. That is compile time error. Okay. So this is hello world program. You can say I am giving welcome to Eclipse program. Just a printing statement. To run this program, we can click this green button, run as. If you click this, it will give this output in this console. Initially, this console will be here. If you install this software, the console will be here only. You can put it anywhere when you are dragging it. Double click and drag, you can put it anywhere. So I need it as right side, that's why I given this. So when you click this green button, the program will run and it will give you the output. See, welcome to Eclipse is printed here. So this is printing statement, a simple program. If you want hello world, you can also Give hello world. And run the code. See hello world and welcome to Eclipse. Got it?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
And not only this green button, you can right click on this page and you can see here run as Java application. This like this also you can run the program.
Okay,
It
ma'am.
will run and give the output. So this is how you run the program. And this is the basic program of Java using class and main function. And this two line is part of this Java program. Whenever you are writing a Java program, it will be there. Without these lines, you can't write any coding in Java. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay, write this down. And write as it is. If I am writing in capital S means capital S, small means small.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Then I'll stop my screen. You share your screen. We will download this Eclipse. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Share me your screen. Go to Chrome. Search Eclipse download. That one. Eclipse download. Second one. Upside in navbar. Go to navbar. Don't click that. We no need to download a new version. Always download old version. Upside. Scroll upside. Eclipse ID. All release. All. Eclipse. 2023 12. Download that one. 2023. Click that. Windows. Here in download. Upside only. The download Windows. Windows, that is for Mac. You are using Mac. Click the download button upside. Wait, it will download. You have data, right? Or we can do it tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
We will do it tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. I'll let it download.
Okay, just download it. If you can install it. If you have any doubt on installation, then don't do it. We will do it tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow when we
Okay,
join
ma'am.
class, we will start installing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So for today's class, do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Go through it once again. All the concepts which I have learned.
Okay, ma'am.
Which I have taught. If you have any
Yes,
doubt, you
ma'am.
can ping me in WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.